I'm hoping that this show shocks some people into realizing that the choices that they make down the line are going to change whatever happens for the rest of their generations. So if we can start protecting the people that are hurting now, maybe people in future generations won't hurt that way. The suitcase is just a box. It's a suitcase full of these mementos and these memories that this young man has picked up. It is this box full of memories. And I think what's so important for Elizabeth is that inside are not only the urn of her son's ashes, but also this book that is so important to her. She talks about Dennis Diderot throughout this entire show. She mentions him quite a few times, and so this philosopher is very, very important to her. And the note that she sent with it to Andrew in Australia said, "Read this and you might change the world. And if you don't know French, learn it." And I love that kind of idea that she pushed him, even though she wasn't in his life, she pushed him to be better, and she pushed him to change the world. Younger Elizabeth is a little bit more stationary. She is in the 50s and 60s, so like 58 to 65 is about where the range is. And she kind of lives in that era. She kind of just lives life in that era. She wears the 50s style dress and the housewife kind of apron, and she's got her hair in like little pin curls and stuff. Like, she very much lives in this era. And older Elizabeth doesn't really, she kind of moves into the 80s, but she still kind of stays. It's almost like she gets stuck in this time, but the rest of the play kind of intermingles into different time periods, and it's so fun to watch, because you'll have two people on stage that are from like 88, and then you'll have two people on stage, one person coming on stage for the next scene in like 62. And so it's a weird like cross between these worlds, and you kind of have to keep yourself on your toes because you don't really know what era is coming next. And so it's really, really fun to watch.